Hi everybody, today we're going to talk about sharpening your knives with our favorite Broad and Taylor knife sharpener. A couple of things that I love about this is, first of all, the sleek design. It's stainless steel, so it's really sturdy and it will last forever. These pieces here, the sharpening pieces, which are carbide, are replaceable. It's on a spring, so you can sharpen Japanese style knives, which have a more acute angle, or the German or any style of knife. And I'm going to show you how it works. It retails for $109.99, but considering that you can use this thing every single day with all of your knives, or almost all of your knives, it's really worth it. The first thing I'm going to do, and do not try this at home, is I'm going to dull my knife. And this is the worst thing that you can do, aside from trying to open a can with it and breaking off the tip. But we are really flattening out that blade. And I'll show you, it does not bite into the skin at all. It's dull, it doesn't want to cut even through a lemon. So the way this works is if I pull it up from the back like so, and just with a little bit of pressure just to get the spring action so that it's form-fitting to the shape of the blade. And I'm going to pull that through about 5 or 6 times. And that is sharpening. Sharpening is when it pulls off little bits of the metal and it is actually making your knife a little tiny bit smaller. And then after I sharpen it, I'm going to hone it by pulling it down from the front. So it's just sharpening is like this, honing is like this. Honing is something that you want to do every single time you use your blades, because it will straighten out all the micro serrations on there, get rid of any little micro particles that are going to dull your knife. So if you hone it every time you use your knife, it'll stay sharp for a really long time. Same lemon, same knife. Cuts right through with hardly any pressure. So that is the Broad and Taylor, retails for $109.99, our favorite sharpening tool in our kitchen.